So this is a 2020 Infiniti Q50. It has the twin turbo 3.0 liter V6 engine. It has about 300 horsepower. Does 0 to 60 in about 5 seconds flat, maybe a little bit less. I've had this car for about a week now. I would say on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd give it about 4 stars for performance and comfort and design interior design. Yeah, I just wanted to do this short video on a 0 to 60. It's got a great top speed too, but so let's show what you got to do. So first you want to get in sport shift mode. Knock that over. You're gonna put it in the sport setting, which is right here, and then you're gonna do traction control off for a launch. I'm gonna wait. There's a car coming up here. Hold on 1 second. I'll get off the road real quick. Alright, and we're just gonna power brake it. It's only in launch mode for about 2 or 3 seconds, so we'll do it quick. 60. Well, 70 something, but 0 to 60. That I would say that's pretty close to 5 seconds flat, if not less. Yeah. If you haven't checked out one of these cars, the starting price on this exact model is $35,000. That's US dollars, and I definitely say it's worth the money considering its rival is more money and not as fast, and I would give that less stars, which is the Nissan Maxima. But yeah, that's the 2020 Infiniti Q50 3.0 liter twin turbo engine.